In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a graph with Microsoft Access, classic chart. We're going to build a classic chart inside a form or report using the built-in chart wizard. This is perfect when you want a quick visual like sales by month or counts by category right inside your database. First, open Microsoft Access and load the database that contains the information you want to visualize. Before you insert a chart, make sure your data source is ready. You can use a table, but a query is often better because it lets you filter, group, and summarize data ahead of time. Ensure you have a clear category field like a date or name and at least one numeric field for values. Clean field names, consistent data types, and removing obvious blanks will make the chart setup smoother. Next, go to the Create tab on the ribbon. Decide whether you want your chart on a form or a report. Form design is great for interactive viewing and quick exploration. Report design is ideal for printed or shared summaries. Pick the one that fits your goal and open it in Design View. With the design surface open, switch to the Design tab and look for the Controls group. If you don't immediately see all available controls, click the small more arrow in the bottom right corner of that group to expand the full list. Before adding the chart, confirm that Use Control Wizards is turned on. When it's highlighted, Access will guide you through setup instead of placing a blank control, which saves time and prevents guesswork. Now click the Insert Chart control in the Controls group, move to your Form or Report Design area, and click and drag to draw the rectangle where the chart should appear. Don't worry about perfection here, you can resize it later. When you release the mouse, the Chart Wizard will open automatically. If it doesn't, double check that Use Control Wizards is enabled. In the wizard, first choose your data source. Select the table or query that contains exactly the fields you prepared, then pick the fields to plot. Typically, a category field defines the horizontal axis or segments, and one or more numeric fields become the values. Next, choose the chart type. Column and bar charts work well for comparisons, line charts for trends, and pie charts for simple proportions. Arrange the data fields as prompted, previewing how the chart groups and summarizes your data. Add a clear title and decide whether to show a legend to help readers interpret multiple series. When everything looks right, click Finish. Access will place the classic chart control in your form or report, ready to resize, align, and use.